How to check payment method on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. From here, go to Payment and Shipping. On this page, you can view and manage your payment settings. You can add new payment methods or even remove them if you want. In the Payment Methods section, you can either choose to use credit or debit cards or PayPal. If you choose card, then fill in the card details below such as the card number, expiry date and CVV. In the Billing Address section below, you can view or change the billing address for your payment. You can use multiple payment methods with your Apple account. After that, tap on Done at the top right. Following these steps, you can easily check payment method on iPhone.